finishing up the owl painting with a few leaves to do a leaf rubbing. You'll need to collect some leaves from outside if you're at home. If you're in the classroom, I have some I'll bring to you. You need crayons that have been peeled so that you can do a rubbing. Take a plain sheet of copy paper and place it over the leaf and rub. Do not color, but rub. Put the crayon on its side and push it back and forth. Apply 2 colors. I like to use the back side of the leaf where the veins are more obvious. That makes a better rubbing. But pushing down with the crayon and applying 2 different colors is really fun to see the different shape that you can get from the leaf and the color combination. Continue doing this process of leaf rubbing until you have completed 2 sheets of copy paper. And we're going to use these leaves to frame your owl. Cut out each leaf carefully, making sure that you trim close to the leaf but not leaving too much white paper. Cut them all out. You will need all of them. And then we are going to place them on the corners of the paper. You'll see that I glued mine down to a brown sheet of paper and placed the leaves on the 4 corners with some glue. It makes a wonderful fall picture.